Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the volume of the Anton application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the avatar icon down below, which is the last option. Now click on settings. Scroll down till you find the volume in the account settings section and tap on it. Now you can select a volume by using the scale, and if you are done with selecting the right one which suits your preferences, tap on the button save down below. So now the volume of the application has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.